Hello, in this chapter we're going to talk about object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming is a concept that utilizes objects which contain data, attributes or property in Python, and methods. The data in an object are the attributes of the object. The methods operate on the object data, so they often change the content of object data. The main advantage of using object-oriented programming in object is the proximity of the source code to the data. For example, in procedural programming using function is used, the functions are called analyze, manipulate, and visualize. So, we have some data which are in the array and the content of the data are 24246. Then, using function analyze with the data that we have here, we are getting the feature data. Now, using another function which is called manipulate, we are getting as input variables data, which is here, and feature data. The result of the function manipulate will be obtained in the variable manipulated data. At the end, we are going to visualize manipulated data, which we get from the step here. So, this is using procedural programming, which we have done before. If object-oriented programming is used, the code will work much cleaner. The following code is similar to the previous examples, which uses functions. So, initially, again, we have data, which is an array with these values, 24246. Initialize the object of type data_vis. So, we are having a function data_vis with the data here, and the result will be saved into variable a. Now, variable a has a method which is called analyze, so a.analyze. So we are getting this method with the data which we are getting here, and the result will be obtained in the variable feature data. Now, using another method which is manipulate with the data which we're getting here and feature data which we get here, and using this new method we are getting manipulated data. At the end, a has another method which is called visualized, which is in this case using manipulated data, and we are getting visualize the data here. We have two different concepts which are used quite a lot in all programming languages. The methods used are analyze, which is here, manipulate, which is here, and visualize, which is here. And that's it for this session. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.